Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to change email address in your Instagram account. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile button. Scroll down. At the bottom of this page you can find your email address. Tap on the email address. Tap on the email address again and delete it. Then input a new email address here. Tap on the right symbol at the top right corner. A pop-up message will open. An email containing a link has been sent to the newly given email address. You have to confirm your email address by following the link. Check your email address. After checking the link from the email address, tap on OK. Again, tap on the right symbol from the top right corner. That is how you can change your email address in your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.